Whoa. God, it's lighting up the whole sky. Look at this. What's over there?
Moved, is it?
Whoa.
Comes the rain. This is moving this way. Whatever it is moving this way. It's pissing down now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to get louder. Okay, yeah, it's now almost overhead now. Some look, see, over the top of the trees.
Yeah, and don't get too close to the metal. Whoa. Whoa. There's going to be a big bang in a minute.
It's forks. It's forks now. It was sheet. Now it's forked.
Right, just be careful near the metal, please. Here it comes.
It's definitely moving this way.
Here comes the rain. Do, 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 do. You're going to go and lay down and you're going to miss the best bit.
Well, you're going to be filming it. I'm too tight to stand up, babe. Mm-hmm. We'll be getting loud in a minute, though. I'll tell you that. Oh.
It's getting nearer.
Yep. Sure is.
Whoa. There is a red cloud in the sky.
Yeah.
Come and have a look. Quickly. Look at that. Look at it through my camera.
Oh, look at it with the naked eye. Yeah, I can see it, yeah. Red sky at night, it's going to be sunny in the morning. I can see it's red.
That started off as a ball and just got bigger.
Yeah, because it's windy out there, you can see the
Is it
wind's
fog?
blowing the cloud formations about. No, it's just a cloud, but it's reflecting light, isn't it? This is nothing you haven't seen before, sweetheart.
Look at it through my camera though.
Yeah, I know it looks different through the camera. I know. Yeah. You can feel the wind getting stronger.
Yeah.
It's getting blown about and electrically charged. It's a storm. See, it's getting closer and closer. The leaves starting to come about. Getting windier and windier. It's going to be right over ahead of us in about 20 minutes, I reckon. Here he comes. Oh, I'll leave it open.
Yeah. Just get a little bit more.
He's coming. It's going to get loud.
Whoa.